Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G42, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google Family Link on your device. Okay, firstly open Settings application, then scroll down, click Google, manage your Google account, click Data and Privacy, scroll down and click Delete your Google account. Enter child's password. Click Next. Wait a while. Scroll down, click I understand. Yes, and click Delete your Google account. Cool! As you can see, Google account was successfully deleted and all applications are unlocked. Wait. Okay, that's it. Now we need to recover Google account. We have 40 days for it, but we will do it now. Open Play Store, click Sign In. Enter your email. Account deleted. Click Next and recover your Google account, entering your password. Click Next. Click Next and try to log in into your account again. Click Next and enter your password. Click Next and cool! Google account was successfully recovered. Click I agree. Scroll down, click Accept. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.